The Liberation Order. High courts at times spell out landmark judgments. Some of them change the customary practices. Kerala High Court also had pronounced such milestone judgments. A latest one of such game-changing order was on unwed woman and her child. The court has made the life of single parent and unwed women easy. The court has ordered to recognize woman's right to be a single parent. No one should compel single parent to state the child's father's name. The court accepted right of women to conceive through assisted reproductive technologies ART. The order protects the right of dignity of both unwed mother as well as the child born via ART. Registering authority should anymore ask name of father. Necessary changes should be made in the forms for birth registration. The same principle is applicable for registration of deaths. Till now, filling up of the column of name of father was mandatory. Not anymore thanks to the High Court order. The milestone order will ensure the right of single parent or unwed mothers. The order was pronounced in a petition filed by a divorced woman. The petitioner got conceived by in vitro fertilization IVF procedure. She challenged the Kerala Registration of Births and Deaths Rules 1970. As per provision of the Act, details of father was mandatory. The petitioner argued against compulsory revealing of the name of the donor of sperm in IVF. She opposed the section that guaranteed secrecy of details of father. She also challenged the present birth certificate where father's name is left blank for secrecy. But details remain with the local body with a threat on her privacy and dignity. Till now, these mothers were forced to reveal name of father. The local body registering birth or death was supposed to keep the details anonymous. But court ruled this as violative of fundamental rights of privacy, liberty and dignity of unwed mother or women opting ART. The court ruled that the disclosure of father's name amounts to violation of the right of privacy. Court observed that this right was recognized in ART guidelines. The court ruled that unless rare exceptions, name of father need not be specified. Now, the authorities will have to provide appropriate forms for registration of births and deaths of children of unwed mothers or mothers who had conceived under ART. A separate form will have to be provided to unwed ART moms. The form for death certificate can be one with options. The column B as name of father, husband, mother, which offers choice for the applicant. The birth or death certificate issued also should not have any mention of father. This ensures that nothing on the certificate is left unfilled as being done till now. However, the unwed moms will have to give an affidavit. She will have to declare that she is a single parent or an unwed mother conceived through ART. Kudos to the petitioner. The court ruling has come as a game changer. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.